Hey YouTube, it's me, Chandler. Hey YouTube, it's me, Chandler, back here again with another Pokemon for you guys. Our next Eeveelution. Today we're going to be doing Pokemon number 470, Leafeon, the Verdant Pokemon. So, without much further ado, let's get right into it. Source there and source there. If you guys want to draw along at home, please do. So let's get into it. This picture is actually taken from a Pokemon card from the, I think, XY something fists. Maybe James will put it up for us. Maybe not. What pack this is from. But so we got our jumping, flying, running Leafeon here, and so we're gonna get in here with some light sketching and try to map this sucker out. Okay, so if you can see some of it you can't. We got it all kind of lightly sketched out. So now we got our galloping, leaping Leafeon, and we're gonna, as we always do, go through the legs and the body, the tail, with our head. So let's get into these legs here and. Okay, here's our body. Coming along, feels a little lanky, but I think that's what we're going for. So it'll look better once we get everything else together. But yeah, even with the lanky bits, you don't know this yet. I guess this is as good a time as any to mention it, but I got a bit of a secret project going on. But enough on that. More on that later. Let's do this tail, and we're gonna do the thing that we like to do with the tail when it's going out this way, is just like shove it up that way. That's our tail done, and now we're ready to get into our head and get this episode finished. So that's our ears done. Everything's done except for our bread and butter right here, the face. There we go. There's our sketch of Leafeon. I feel really good about this one. I hope you guys are too. So now that we're done here, I guess there's only one thing left to do, and that's to go back to the room. Bye. And that's going to be it for today's video, guys. If you liked it, make sure to hit that like button. If you think other people would like it, make sure to hit that share button. And if you want to see the next episode, hey, you got to subscribe to this channel. We got new videos up here every Tuesday and Thursday with quick draws on Friday. But until then, I'm Chandler, you're the best, and this is Draw Like a Nerd.